Hello guys, hope you are doing very well and we have reached Langkawi in Malaysia. We started from Kuala Lumpur today. We had our flight in afternoon, so due to some operational reasons we had some delay, but finally we are here. And for those who don't know about Langkawi, it's an island here in Malaysia and it's very famous for its island vibes and tropical vibes, and there are a lot of tourist places where you can actually go and spend time with your friends and family and loved ones, and there are a lot of activities to do on this island, and you will get to know more in detail when we shoot our vlogs there and we give you a virtual tour. But before that, we are right now in a property here named Smith House, and we just wanted to give you a virtual tour of this property and how does our room look like and what amenities did we get here. So yeah, to start with this, over to Nikita and let's go.
So before proceeding forward into the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. Also comment down below if you have any queries about the room tour or about this property in specific. So just to give you guys some background, this is the Artist King room of the Smith House Hotel and it's quite nearby to the airport. So like we reached from the airport till here in just 5 minutes. So yeah, very convenient for travelers for sure. And as soon as we checked into the property, the check-in process was also quite hassle-free and everything was smooth. We also rented out a scooter from the reception. So the people here are very warm and friendly in general. So let's start with the room tour. You can see the entrance here, and as soon as you enter, there is an open cupboard here with a safe and an ironing board, along with bathroom slippers which have been provided. So a little bit of storage space is there, but more than enough if you are like 2 people. So as you move forward into the room, there's a mini fridge along with some cabinets which has been provided here, and some refreshments like tea, coffee, hot water kettle, the basics which we find in every property. There's a cool painting right around here, and the most aesthetic part of the room is this area, dressing area specifically. So they have provided more than enough toiletries, and this is the area where you can get ready, get dressed up, dry your hair, and here is the bathroom. So they have provided the toiletries even here as well. One unique thing which we liked is there's a sliding door. So one side you will find a washroom with the commode, and the other side is a bathing area. So even in a small space, they have tried to provide everything. So right from the cupboard, iron board, and the bathroom, the dressing area, all is combined in one, but it doesn't look claustrophobic. Proceeding forward into the room, you can see this is the work desk which they have provided, which we have completely mobbed with our bags, helmets since we booked a scooter. And here also there's a cute painting. So there's a dustbin provided over here along with a chair. So you can just utilize this area for work in general. Post this, there's a big window over here where you can enjoy the view right from your room. They have also given us a huge television around here. So we were just watching, I was just watching some Friends episode on it while Simanto went down to book a scooter. So here you can see there are quite big windows in the room, and you get a proper overview from the room itself. We are on the 2nd floor right now, but it's a multi-story building. And here also, this is the view from the Artist King room. And the hotel staff also provided us a map of the entire Langkawi Island. Langkawi is a duty-free island. Lots of adventures here, lots of fun to shop. So yeah, here you can do a lot of things, and since it's our first time here, we are looking forward to explore it quite well. Now this is the king size bed which they have given, along with bedside lights and tables, and there's an intercom which has been provided over there. There are these cute sculptures which have been provided right over the bed. And to give you a little glimpse about the property, so we do have a rooftop swimming pool here, and the property also collects some amount of government tax from you. So we had to deposit 39 ringgits, which is apart from the fees which we had paid from Make My Trip. Also, we have booked this property along with breakfast, so you can enjoy the breakfast here from 7 AM to 10:30 PM. We would advise you to keep cash and card both handy once you are here in Langkawi.
So the outlets and shopkeepers and the tourist places here in Langkawi, they don't accept cards very widely, so make sure to have some cash in hand when you arrive here. You can also utilize the ATMs. I just asked about an ATM and they said that there are 2 ATMs nearby. So yeah, you will find the resources very close to your hotel if you stay in the Smith House.
Also, one quick update, guys. So, Grab has unfortunately not been available for us. We tried multiple times, but we could not go through. So, in Kuala Lumpur, we specifically used Bolt to travel across the city. And here, while coming from the airport, we had to take an offline taxi, but it was an authorized service by the airport, so everything was in written. They gave us an invoice. And one more point about the taxi service here in Langkawi is we had to pay 25 ringgits, and the person mentioned that we will have to pay 26 ringgits if we pay through card. So just make sure that you have enough cash handy.
So hope you like the content of this video and hope you found the information helpful. And whenever you plan for Langkawi, do consider booking your stay in the Smith House. Although you can always check the reviews on Google and Make My Trip, but we have done the same. We do our research very thoroughly, and it's rated 4.6 on Google right now. So yeah, that's what we considered before booking this property. So yeah, definitely do press the like button if you have liked the content, and do share this video with your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in another vlog. Till then, take care and bye bye.
Bye.